Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus open and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then we have to scroll down to find backup and reset option, which is at the very bottom of the list. Let's tap on it. And here we've got the section for Google backup. So let's tap on Google backup, tap on next, tap on add account, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here you can decide what kind of data you want to back up, so photos and videos or other device data. I'll choose this one, and let's tap on confirm. Let's tap on manage backup, and this is another backup section where you can check how much space you've got left, you can manage the storage, you can check the backup details and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. Let's tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.